wasn't a myth. All these bad rules all over my shit, here go.
What is going on, blockchain monkeys? Eagle here, to thank you for coming to my jungle. And first of all, I'm no financial advisor whatsoever, nor am I professional in blockchain technology. But there is one thing that I absolutely will do, and that's give you my opinion. So today, we have got to talk about this White House emergency. We ain't trying to hear it. What do we have here, ladies and gentlemen? We have White House wants crypto rules as a matter of national security. Now, if we go back a few years, at first it was fake internet money. Now it's a matter of national security. And it seems like 573 people seem to agree. What? Coming in hot from Eleanor Tourette, that's Fox Business journalist and producer, the Biden administration is planning executive action to regulate cryptocurrency as a matter of national security. An order is expected to come in the next few weeks. Check that. In the next week. So before we get into that, we have LeBron James teams up with Crypto.com to bring digital education to students. I mean, I know you're not surprised about this, being as though the Staples Center is now called the Crypto.com Arena. Where do you think this is going? Look at FTX going out and grabbing the GOAT, going out and grabbing Steph Curry and Brady. And now you have Crypto.com picking up LeBron James, and on the back end, you got them helping the students. The multi-year partnership will include teaching blockchain technology to inner city school children. And on that end, I think it's great because I think that's something that needs to be happening right now. So let me take you over to Coach JB. He has all the top shelf information regarding XRP as well as an economic view. Take a listen to this.
Biden is reportedly gearing up to take the first steps towards regulating cryptocurrency. The expected executive order comes as Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies have experienced massive price drops over the past week. This has sparked some concern over the state and future of the digital assets. To discuss this, we want to bring in David Waxman. He is the CEO of Waxman, a crypto public relations firm. David, welcome. I'm so glad we're talking about this because it's always seemed to me that cryptocurrency, the idea of this currency that exists outside of government regulation, wasn't meant to last. At a certain point, governments were going to say, hey guys, we need to regulate this a little bit. Is this the beginning of the end in that sense?
Well, people have been saying that Bitcoin was going to die for many years, ever since the very beginning. And all it's ever done is make it stronger. What we've seen, in fact, is that when countries shut down Bitcoin, it tends to be even more resilient, and very often the price actually moves up. The recent price drop, for example, I believe it's just temporary. And it's very likely that we're going to go and see all-time highs in the years to come.
We mentioned earlier the prices have dropped significantly this past week. Why is that? Is the volatility a big deal?
Well, Bitcoin, for example, which is by far and away the largest cryptocurrency and the one that drives the price of some of the other ones, is unfortunately quite tied right now to equities markets. And so we've seen that the stock market has been going up and down like crazy. And in much the same way, so too has Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices in the last week.
Why is it tied to equity markets? Can you explain that?
Many people like to think that the discretionary income from people that lets them invest in assets like stocks is the same type of money that's being used to invest in Bitcoin and other digital assets. And so when things go down, people cash out. And we tend to see the exact same effect happening in equities markets as we do in the Bitcoin market.
Can you also explain how the tensions between Ukraine and Russia are impacting cryptocurrency right now?
So Ukraine actually happens to be one of the top 10 countries in the world where cryptocurrency is the most popular. It's actually the 10th country in the world with the most crypto earnings or winnings, you can say, over the last few years. And as a result of that, you see crypto developers there, crypto businesses there, and you see a lot of people willing to accept Bitcoin and other digital assets. So one might think, and it's possible, that if there were tensions and tensions were to escalate, that a lot of businesses might use cryptocurrency as a means of payment, or at the very least, a store of value, a place for you to keep your money safe in the event that there's an issue with the bank.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what's happening right now in certain areas, okay? People are actually using crypto as a form of payment. Not happening widely yet, but we believe adoption is on the way.
So what are you looking to see out of this expected executive order?
So yes, indeed, Biden is expected to come out and ask for almost every conceivable government department, from the Department of State to the Department of Energy to Commerce to the FTC, to weigh in on what they think all of the U.S. government should do. This is going to be the first time the U.S. government will have a comprehensive plan when it comes to cryptocurrency.
You mean the first time publicly that they're talking about this, okay? They've been speaking about this for years. Let's go.
That will happen by the second half of the year. What I think is going to happen is that the government is going to think about this thoroughly. I'm guessing that they're going to be asking for companies in the industry, individuals, and people on both sides to weigh in. I'm hoping that there's going to be clarity, because one fascinating thing that's happened over the last year is that the United States has vaulted to the front of the pack. More innovation is happening in America in the cryptocurrency industry than any other place. China, when they banned it, essentially gave up. And the US has an opportunity to take the lead.
So before I let you go, looking at the Q4 2021 XRP markets report, I just want to bring a few things to your attention. You have Ripple publishes the quarterly XRP markets report to voluntarily provide transparency and regular update on the company's views on the state of crypto markets, such as the quarterly XRP sales, relevant XRP-related announcements, and commentary on market developments over the previous quarter. Now, you have them just being extremely transparent here, okay? As we go, as an XRP holder, Ripple believes proactive communication and transparency are part of being a responsible stakeholder. Moreover, Ripple urges others in the industry to build trust, foster open communication, and raise the bar industry rise. This is the same company that's being sued by the SEC. Okay, so I'll leave you with this. Just a little trend to look out for as we enter this space, okay? Buyers not only flocked to the purchase of non-fungible tokens, but also bought virtual real estate in different metaverses. In one instance, a particular plot of land in Decentraland sold for over $2.43 million. Although most of the activity is starting on the Ethereum, just like DeFi and NFTs, it will likely start to shift to more efficient blockchains. With the launch of XLS 20D on NFT DevNet, this month, XRP Ledger, XRPL developers are well positioned to take advantage of this shift. First you research, and then you go research the research you just did. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we will all see each other on the moon.
Cause it's the standard in this bitch. XRP. I went to YouTube University, and now they mocking me with no degree. We saying by the Swift.
You don't have to be rich to be taking advantage of this. This was the beginning of the greatest transformation of wealth the world has ever fucking seen since World War II.
Blockchain. Blockchain. We talking about an intellectual choo-choo train. It's DLT up in these streets, man. That's why we rip all on that blockchain. Blockchain.